All right, today I'm going to introduce you to the Kreg Panel Lift, which is a panel carrier. It's good for carrying around sheets of plywood, and it should make light work of carrying the plywood, as it uses like a clamp style clamp with one handle, and this clamps onto the plywood itself. This does feel pretty durable, and basically it should be easy to clamp, lift, and go, as they say on the package. So this is made by Kreg, which makes good quality tools and jigs for woodworking. And this is going to be something good to have on hand for carrying around plywood. Especially in my case, I'm going to be using plywood for different projects and looking for an easy way to carry it around. So it doesn't matter the size or thickness of the plywood, this will be able to grip onto it. And if you notice here, it does have like rubber padding, like a rubber grip to it, which is what helps get a grip on the panels itself. And it's on a hinge here on the side where both sides are able to pivot. So I'm gonna take the packaging off and give it a try. And if you're interested in picking something like this up, I will have a link in the description that'll go to Lowe's. So it's gonna be well worth it if you have a lot of plywood to move around. And here's what the panel lift looks like. Now, I did pay for this myself, so this is not like a sponsored video by Kreg or anything like that. But I just wanted to share this unique tool with everyone who deals with plywood on a regular basis, especially for woodworking projects or maybe cabinet builders. This will be a great tool to have in your arsenal to be able to move panels around easily. All right, so I have here a 3/4 inch thick 4x8 sheet of plywood. It is pressure treated plywood, so it's heavier than the normal like 3/4 thick plywood. I'm going to demonstrate how to simply attach the Kreg clamp to it. Basically, you do want to center it to the piece, but I'm just going to demonstrate here. You simply just put it on the edge and it's ready to go. As soon as you lift up on the clamp, it pivots the other side of the clamp to go up against the plywood. So just simply put it on like that. Put it on, start lifting up the handle to kind of set it in place, and then it's ready to go. And just to show you the other side of the clamp, so when you go to set it on, it's automatically like wedged out. So go to put it down and just lift up a little bit, but you might have to press this down a little bit to kind of form it to the plywood. And it uses the weight of the plywood to help clamp it down. So it does feel pretty solid. It's a nice construction to it, and heavy duty metal, and the plastic too seems pretty durable, and so I think it's definitely a great item to have. And the handle does feel nice and sturdy to it. It's got a nice grip. I think it's great. It is a pretty heavy piece of plywood, so but I'll demonstrate walking around with it. All right, so I'm just going around one-handed. Just have it up against my shoulder to prop it up. Just one-handed. It's awesome. Yeah, nice and easy. So the important thing is to have it centered. All right, so this is the Kreg clamp. I think it does pretty good. It does what it says it's going to do. It's very easy to use by just simply putting it on the edge of the plywood. The important thing is making sure that it is centered, and it easily makes it more balanced then when you're carrying around sheets of plywood. So I think this is a very handy tool to have on hand, especially with dealing with plywood on a regular basis. So if you learned something new about a new tool, if you haven't seen this before, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tool review videos, as well as DIY tips, tricks, and tool deal videos. I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.